All right. Hi, guys. Mrs. Townsley here. Hope you guys are doing good. Today is Wednesday. We are looking at week 6, and we are on your 5-a-day. I hope everyone is having an especially wonderful day today. Okay. All right. Let's get started. Okay. So it looks like we need to add parentheses to make this true. And it looks like we've got 5 times 3 squared, which you know is 9. It's not 6. It's not 3 times 2. It's 3 times 3. It's 9. 5 times 9 minus 4 times 6 equals 150. And somehow we need to add some parentheses to make this then become true. And anytime that you work with a problem like this, it's really just trying what works and what doesn't work. I'm going to show you one way that does not work. Okay, if you would put that there, okay, those parentheses there, this is like 5 times 9, which is 45, minus 4 times 6, okay? And then you need to put these two together because this is multiplication, and multiplication goes before subtraction. And then if you would have 45 minus 24, it would not equal that, okay? So it really is just a ton of trial and error. And the first time that I did this problem, I didn't get it right. The second time, I didn't get it right. The third time, I didn't get it right. The fourth time, I finally figured it out. What you have to do is you need to put the parentheses around these two numbers, the 3 squared minus the 4, because the problem then becomes 5 times 9 minus 4 is 5 times 6. Okay? And it works out because 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 6 then becomes 150. Okay? But it took me 4 tries to get that right. If it takes you 4 tries, 3 tries, 2 tries, or if you get lucky and you get it right the first time, good for you. But really, plan on those taking some time. Okay? All right, let's take a look at the next one. This is 2 cubes. That's not 6. That's not 6. It's 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Plus 7 times 8 divided by 4 equals 30. So somehow we have to figure out how to get to 30. Okay. I'm going to start here. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do 8 plus 7 times 8 is 56. So 8 plus 56 divided by 4. 56 divided by 4 is 14. So then it's 8 plus 14. Nope, that doesn't work. Try it again. This is normal. This always happens with these. All right, I don't know. Try this. 2 cubed is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 times 8 divided by 4. Okay, 15 times 8. Okay, so, that works. Look, 15 times 8 is 120. 120 divided by 4 is, in fact, 30. Okay, so that works. So this and this both work. All right? Look, if you're getting frustrated with those, that's normal. Okay? Normal. Okay? Trial and error. It's going to take you a couple times. All right? But you guys did good. Keep it up. All right, take a look at the next one. Model and solve. Model means picture. Model means picture. If I have 1/2 of something, okay? If I have 1/2 of something, all right? And they want us to break it into as many 1/4 as you can. You want to break it up into as many 1/4 as you can. You need to, first of all, have fourths, all right? This is not showing you fourths, okay? You need to make it into fourths. You need to have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, all right? Now circle as many fourths as you can. 1, 2, and your answer is 2. All right? You have 1/2 of something. You need to break it up into as many 1/4 as you can. And we did that. 1, 2. All right? Good job. All right, moving on. Okay, the next one, number 3. Draw a net. A net is a 2-dimensional flat figure. All right? 2-dimensional flat figure. All right, so this box, if we would take a pair of scissors and cut on these edges, and we made it flat, it would end up looking like this. Okay, so if we put it together and tuck these up and under, it would work. Okay, so that's one option. There's many other options too, but that's one. All right, next one. And the most important thing with this is you have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 2 on the side, top to bottom, left and right. Okay, or front and back, however you want to look at it. All right, just make sure you have 6 total. All right, next one, solve. If you have 3/4 plus 1/2, you need to make sure that you have the same pieces to add. These aren't the same. You don't have a common denominator. All right, but you can move this over and increase this by 2. So instead of 1/2, you have 2/4. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have 1/2 of something or if you have 2/4 of something. It's the same thing. Okay, now you can add these together. 3 plus 2 is 5. Keep your denominator 4. I have 5/4. Or if you want to, you can say 1 1/4. Okay, they mean the same thing. If I have 5/1/4, I have 1 whole and 1/4 left over. Same thing. All right, same thing over here. If you have 3/5 minus 1/4, can't do it because you have different pieces. Okay, the pieces don't match, so it doesn't work. You need to make sure that you have a common denominator. And I'm going to use 20 because I knew 5 times 4, the 2 factors that make up 20, would work. Okay? To get to 20, I had to multiply by what? 4. So I need to multiply with 4 up here. It's 12. To get to 20 down here, I had to multiply by 5. Okay? 4 times 5 is 20. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay? 12 minus 5 is 7. Keep your denominator. You have 7/20. Why does it keep doing it? I don't know why it's so fuzzy. This is dumb. Stop. Thank you. Stop. Thank you. We'll see if it stops. Sorry. All right. Write greater than or less than to make each statement true. No, it's doing it again. Why does it get fuzzy? It's so stupid. All right. If you have -6 and -12, -6 is bigger because it's closer to 0. If you have -52 and -89, same thing, it's closer to 0. All right? This is smaller. This is smaller. What about this? Well, the positive's always going to be bigger, closer to 0. This is smaller. You guys are doing good. You're doing good. What about this one? What do you think? Good job. Yep. What about this one? Positive. Bigger. This one? Yep. All right. I'm out of here. Have a good day. Bye.